Hello everyone, in this video we discuss some standard questions which we may face in the examination related to LCM and HCF chapters. Many students find it difficult to solve this type of questions, but if you understand this concept, it is very easy to solve. Here find the least number which leaves a remainder of 4 when divided by 6, 9, 15, 18. That means we have to find a least number. That least number should leave a remainder when divided by these numbers individually. First we will find the LCM of 6, 9, 15, 18. 6 can be written as 3 into 2, 9, 3 square, 3 into 5, 3 square into 2. LCM is 2 into 3 square into 5, which will become 90. LCM is 90, but our required number should leave a remainder of 4 when divided by these 4 numbers. That means we can add simply 4 to the LCM. Our answer is 94. This number when divided by 6 it leaves a remainder 4, 9 it leaves a remainder 4, 15 into 6 90, 4 remainder 18, 18 into 5 90, remainder 4. That means when we have to find a number which leaves a remainder of r when divided by a comma b comma c, the formula is we first find LCM of a, b, c, then we add remainder. This is the formula to find. If in the question it is stated that find the least multiple of 7 which leaves a remainder of 4 when divided by 6, 9, 15, 18. First we write our general number. Here LCM is 90. Our general term can be written as 90x plus remainder 4. When this number divided by 7, the remainder we get is 0, since it should be a multiple of 7. We have to find the least value of x for which 90x plus 4 divided by 7. First we write 90x as a product of 7, 84x plus 6x plus 4 divided by 7. Whatever for the value of x, 84x is completely divisible by 7. Now we have to find the value of x for which 6x plus 4 is completely divisible by 7. First we substitute x as 0, 0 plus 4, 4 not divisible by 7, 1, 6 plus 4, 10 not divisible by 7, 2, 12 plus 4, 16 not divisible, 3, 18 plus 4, 22 not divisible, 4, 24 plus 4, 28 which is divisible by 7. That means our value of x is 4. Now we substitute the value of x in our general term. 90 into 4, 360 plus 4 which will become 364 is our answer. First we write our general term 90x as 4, then we write the 90x as a product of 7, 84x plus 6x plus 4. Now we have to find the value of x for which 6x plus 4 is completely divisible by 7. If in the question we have to find the highest 3-digit number which leaves a remainder of 4 when divided by 6, 9, 15, 18. First we write our general term 90x plus 4. We have to find highest 3-digit number. We know that highest 3-digit number is 999. We divide this by 90. 90 into 190. Remainder 9, 9. 90 into 190. Remainder 9. That means when we less remainder from the dividend, it is completely divisible by the divisor. That is 999 minus 9. 990 is completely divisible by 90 when quotient is 11. We substitute our x as 11, 90 into 11 plus 4, 990 plus 4, which is 994. That means highest 3-digit number is 994. If we have to find lowest 4-digit number which leaves a remainder of 4 when divided by these 4 numbers. Our lowest 4-digit number is 1000. 1000 is the lowest 4-digit number. We divide this by 90. 90 into 11, 990, 10. That means 990 is completely divisible by 90. But we have to find 4-digit number. The next 4-digit number is 990 plus 90, which is 1080. That means we can substitute x as 12, which will become 1080 plus 4, which is 1084. Lowest 4-digit number is 1084. These are the problems we can expect from model 1. Next we will discuss about model 2. Here we have to find the least multiple of 23 when divided by 18, 21 and 24 leaves remainders 7, 10, 13. Here the remainders are different in each cases, whereas in model 1 the remainder is same in all the cases. Now we will see how to find when the remainders are different. First we will observe 18 minus 7, 21 minus 10, 24 minus 13. If the differences of these numbers are same, here 18 minus 7 is 11, 21 minus 10 is 11, 24 minus 13 is 11. The differences are same in all the 3 cases. That means our answer is, we first find LCM of these 3 numbers, then we reduce this number. Here LCM of 18, 21, 24. 18 can be written as 3 square into 9, 21 3 into 7, 24 2 cube into 8. LCM is 2 cube into 3 square into 7. That is 504. 504 minus 11, 493. If we want to find the lowest number when divided by 18, 21, 24, which leaves remainder 7, 10, 13 respectively, our answer is 493. But in the question it is stated that we have to find the least multiple of 23. First we write our general term. Here we first write 504x as a multiple of 23. 504, 23. 23 into 2, 46, 44. 23 into 1, 23, 21. That means 504 minus 21 is completely divisible by 23. 485x plus 21x minus 11 divided by 23. Here 485x is completely divisible by 23. Now we have to find the value of x for which 21x minus 11 is completely divisible by 23. First we keep x as 0. 21 into 0 minus 11 is not divisible by 23. Then x as 1, 21 minus 11, 10, not divisible by 23. Next we keep x as 2, 21 into 2, 42, 42 minus 11, 31, not divisible. Then we keep x as 3, 21 into 3, 63, 63 minus 11, 52, not divisible by 23. X as 4, 21 into 4, 84, 84 minus 11, 73, not divisible by 23. X as 5, 21 into 5, 105, 105 minus 11, 94, not divisible by 23. Next we keep x as 6, 21 into 6, 126 minus 11, 115. It is divisible by 23. 23 into 5. That means our x value is 6. We keep x as 6. 504 into 6 minus 11. 3024 minus 11, which is 3013. Our answer is 3013. The least multiple of 23 when divided by 18, 21 and 24 leaves remainder 7, 10, 13 is 3013.